direct object and indirect object. Object, the receiver of the action. It can be found after the action word. Direct object is a noun, pronoun, or word group that tells who or what receives the action. Indirect object is a noun, pronouns, or word group that appears in sentence telling to whom or to what, or for whom or for what the action of the verb is done. Let's talk about direct object. It answers the question, what receives the action? Example, Martha bought some chocolates for Nick. What did Martha buy? She buy chocolates. Then chocolates is the direct object. Next example, I made you some tea. What did I make? I make tea. So tea is a direct object in this sentence. Remember, direct object answer the questions what receives the action. Now let's talk about indirect object. Indirect object answer the questions to whom or for whom is the action. Example, Martha bought some chocolates for Nick. The question is, who did Martha buy it for? She bought it or she buy it for Nick. Nick is the indirect object in this sentence. Next example, I made you some tea. Who did I make it for? I make it for you. Therefore, the word you is the indirect object in this sentence. More example, the coach gave prizes to his students. The coach gave prizes to his students. The subject is the coach. Gave is the verb, prize is the direct object, and his is the indirect object. My father bought me a bicycle. Father is the subject. Bought is a verb. Direct object is a bicycle, and indirect object is me. Arthur sent letters to Bob. Arthur is a subject. Sent is the verb. Letter is a direct object, and to Bob is the indirect object. Mommy made us sandwiches. Mommy is the subject. Made is the verb. Us is the indirect object, and sandwiches is the direct object.